plaintiff, Alicia Neal, and her mother, Cynthia, say Alicia's dog, Pebbles, is her baby, and she goes everywhere with Alicia. One day, while Alicia was walking her dog, the defendant's pit bull got loose and attacked her beloved Pebbles. So she's suing for the veterinarian bills and emotional distress. Defendant Cheryl DePriest and her son, Donnie, say they're here to defend their pit bull's honor. Cheryl says her dog, Gigi, is a good dog who even does tricks, and she has never taught her dog to fight. Cheryl admits that Gigi attacked Pebbles, but she insists the injuries were not severe.
All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge, Greg Mathis, presiding. You may now be seated.
Prove your case.
Okay, I'm here on behalf of Pebbles Octavia Neal. I never seen a dog in your courtroom, so I'm here speaking for her.
All right, that's the picture?
Yes.
Let me see the dog, if you'd like. All right.
Pebbles, I got Pebbles when she was 3 months old. She's almost a year now. So she's, she plays a big part in our family. That's my baby. I love my dog. And, I take her everywhere with me. She got her little traveling bag. Everybody know her. She's, one of us. She got clothes, leg warmers. I don't even got no leg warmers.
She has more than you, huh?
Yeah, my sister called me like, hey, girl, what you doing? All this and that. Where my niece at? I'm thinking she's talking about my daughter. She's talking about Pebbles.
That's right. All right, let me hear from you all. Any background you want to give me?
Yes, this is my dog. Her name is Ginger, and we call her Gigi.
All right, let's see her dog.
All right. And Gigi
you see her small, cute pet? Let's see. It's a pit bull.
Yes. Exactly. Yes.
Okay, but
I'm talking about small, cute pet.
But Judge Mathis, I would
It's
like
a small, cute pet, all right. A small, cute killer.
Exactly. Well, that's what we thought. I would like to be able to defend Gigi's honor. Okay?
All right.
Gigi is well loved by all the neighbors, the kids, and Gigi does tricks. Gigi is a part of my family. I've had Gigi since she was 6 months old. I've never taught Gigi to fight. She's never fought any dog rather than she gets hyper around other dogs. Gigi does tricks. Gigi opens up pop bottles. She drinks the pop out of them. She sleeps with me. She's a part of my family.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me what happened regarding these dogs to cause you to sue her for a veterinarian bill.
Okay, on September 10th of 2009, me and Pebbles was walking, to the mailbox, and, that gave me a chance to, walk her, because I hadn't walked her yet. And, so we're on our way home, back, because the mailbox is, located across the street from our apartment complex. So we walking back, down a little walkway, and, and I'm looking over, this dog just, flipping out, just tripping, doing backflips, just going crazy. I'm like, what in the world is going on? You wasn't out there. You was not out there at this time, so you came out there at the end.
Talk to me,
let me tell you.
Talk to me.
So, yeah, just going crazy. At the time, the friend, he had Gigi by the leash. So I guess he figured, he'd have more control if he grabbed her by the collar. So he grabbed her by the collar, and then, we still walking. I'm looking like, oh my goodness, this dog is crazy. So I'm trying to hurry up and get back in the apartment. And then all of a sudden I hear him say, pick up your dog. I see this pit bull come running towards me. This man gonna tell me, stand still. I'm looking at him like, you tripping. What you mean stand still? It's a pit bull, a pit bull coming towards me. What you mean, stand still, straight up? Not gonna happen. So, I ran this way. Pebbles, she flew the other way because she got one of those retractable leashes. Because she little, I don't need no big, She flew, I flew. He's running behind the pit bull. So he grabs Pebbles' leash and lifts her up in the air like a yo-yo. She just dangling. I'm looking like, what? What's going on? And Gigi, she jumps up and grabs Pebbles. You was not out there. No, she grabs Pebbles.
I have the statement here. I have the statement from Billy right here.
She grabs
Let her
Pebbles.
finish, ma'am. You can speak to me.
So Gigi grabbed Pebbles out the air, jumped up, grabbed her, ran off. She had punctures on her. She was bleeding, and the security guard was out there, the whole time. So at this, I'm screaming, going crazy, like, help me, somebody. It was a million people. Please tell me, help me. What is going on?
Let me hear from you.
there was no blood. There was never any blood.
How do you know?
Because, okay, I wasn't out there. I would
Right,
like
so
to,
you don't know. Next.
I went out there after the facts.
I asked you, how did you know? And your response was, I wasn't out there. That
At
implies
that
that
time.
you don't know whether her dog bled
Okay.
after your pit bull bit her.
Okay, but I have this statement here, and I did go out there. I'm the one
Statement
that
from
grabbed
whom?
the dog. Okay?
Statement from whom?
From Billy, the guy
Saying
that had
what?
the dog. Here you
Saying
go.
what? That it didn't happen?
That it was no blood.
I'm saying, if the dog's neck was broken by being snatched up, what would you say then? It wasn't broken all the way off?
No, I wouldn't say that. No, I wouldn't say that.
He didn't
Go
snatch
ahead.
the dog up like that. He picked
What?
the dog up with
What's
two
your
hands.
name? State your name.
State your name, Donnie.
My name is Donnie Taylor.
Were
yeah.
you there?
Yeah, I saw it. I wasn't
All
there.
right,
I
tell me
saw
what
it,
you
bro.
saw.
Okay. I was sitting in the couch on the couch. He came up, he grabbed Gigi, like I'm about to take Gigi outside. So he took Gigi outside. Next thing you know, somebody ring my doorbell like, your dog loose. And
Your dog
I see
is
her.
loose.
Not loose,
You just
broke off
said
the
loose.
No, not like that.
Not like
not
what?
just like loose. Not
That's
just,
what you said.
Not just like outside, loose with
What
nobody
type of
watching.
loose, sir?
She broke off the
Broke
swivel.
off the.
And
she
then
broke her
what?
collar.
And then she was loose.
Yeah.
That's what it said.
Lord have mercy, Jesus. Lord have mercy.
I'm trying to
They
get
need
it
to
right.
quit lying. They just need to quit.
Woo.
Okay.
All right. Ma'am, why don't you think you should be liable for the attack and the
Okay.
damage?
Not exactly, for the simple fact that she was given $160 overall. Even though whatever went wrong, I took responsibility.
Good.
I gave her $160. I have an invoice here.
Ma'am, hold on. Ma'am, did she compensate you?
No, she did not.
She didn't give you $160?
give me a dime. No.
Hold on. She didn't give you $160?
Nothing. No. No. No.
Do you have your bill?
Yes.
Ma'am, you have evidence that you paid $160?
It's within the statement from Billy, because I borrowed the money from Billy to give to you. That's how you got it.
Yana,
And it's stated there.
Yana, can I please say something?
You wasn't even out
Sure.
there.
Yeah, she wasn't even there.
She wasn't even
State your
there.
name. State
My
your
name
name.
is Cynthia
All
McLean.
right,
I'm
go
Alicia's
ahead.
mom. When her boyfriend came outside to talk to us about what happened, he said she was too distraught to come outside. He, the one, came out his pocket and gave my daughter $110. She did not give her anything. He did. She did not even come outside.
Who did?
Her boyfriend.
On her behalf?
Yeah, but he said that she didn't want. It was $110.
I mean,
It
but
wasn't.
what's all this?
Okay.
Nothing. Nada.
Zip. Because it didn't come from her
You got
hand.
$110
Yeah, it didn't
by your
come
own
from her hand.
admission.
Okay, and
160.
no, it was 110.
It's on the paper.
No, it was $110.
I believe her now. You tried to act like you didn't get a
but
dime.
Your Honor, I would like
Ma'am,
to
you
say...
need to be quiet.
Okay.
Why, look at this bill. I'm already saying that I'm going to give you credit for
Thank
what
you.
you've said you paid, because they initially said, or she initially said, she got nothing, nada, zip.
But not from her.
And then her witness says she got $110.
From the guy, not
So
from
what?
her.
It's for the purpose
It's for
of the
her- okay.
damage done to
Right,
the... And
exactly.
you knew it. It was on her behalf.
Yes.
So act like you don't know that she shouldn't get credit. And the other amount is for emotional distress.
Yes.
Tell me.
There is a lot of children in our family. So, Pebbles grew up, with us. There's a lot of small kids, so babies, they pick her up and grab her. But now it's kind of like she's snippy. And it's kind of like, I don't want to keep her, because if she's going to be snipping these kids, it's like, I can't do that.
Let's get to the bill that I see. I'm going to grant you $400. I'm going to grant you $600 for emotional distress. Certainly someone being affected by a vicious dog that is bred to fight and bred for violence. It is part of their genetic makeup. And that's why we see a lot of them who are pets one moment and then they're biting kids the next moment. All right, judgment for the plaintiff, $1,000. Have a good day.
You didn't even use the money for the dog.
She wasn't even there.
You wasn't concerned about your dog.
You
I
wasn't
just want
even
to make
worried.
sure.
How you say that
You
we
wasn't
don't care
concerned.
about our
Well, then
dog?
where's
I
the
wasn't
$45? You put it in your pocket.
He didn't give me 45.
And
He
you
gave me
wasn't
110. So whatever.
It doesn't matter. You have used me, the Judge
wasn't-
Mathis
he wasn't
show,
there either.
and your dog.